New Summerville Staycation Home. Why go on vacation when your backyard feels like a resort? Welcome to 300 Logan Drive. This has no HOA and a saltwater pool and spa. There is a large bonus flex room for an office or a guest suite or a fourth bedroom. There's solar energy savings with Tesla solar panels that will convey to the buyer at no cost with a paid-off lease. Just minutes to historic Summerville, this fresh, neutrally painted throughout home is just what you're looking for. This is move-in ready and has no carpet. There is laminate LVP throughout. Everything is move-in ready and you can enjoy barbecues through the weekend, coffee by the water. Homes like this don't come along often. Located in the Dorchester District 2 school zone, this move-in ready home delivers throughout upgrades. As you walk through, you'll notice the open floor plan living room, a spacious kitchen with island, and a bright open dining area, which seamlessly flows from one to the other. Down the hall, you'll find two comfortable secondary bedrooms and share a beautifully renovated hall bath. Adjacent is a spacious primary suite with French doors leading to your backyard oasis. Outside, you will step into your private retreat. A gorgeous in-ground concrete salt pool and built-in spa await. Call us today, 843-425-9451. This won't last long.